at length, including your children that presented very eloquently. Tell us how you feel today and what this means for Nigeria's education development.
For Nigeria, education is the key to the future of our country. If Nigeria must attain its dream, its potential, its innate talents, then we must educate our children today for our future, for our tomorrow. What I've seen today in Abuja through the pay-setting schools says or tells the story of assurance. It reassures the strength of the Nigerian nation that if we get it right, it is better for all Nigerians. To get it right, we need to get education right. We need to pay teachers well and right. We need to honor teachers. We need to promote good teachers. We need to make sure that we encourage our children. These cameras we are using, people develop it through education. The telephone you are using, people developed it. So if Nigeria must grow and develop, we must grow and develop our education in all aspects, both in quantity, both in numeracy, both in literacy, both in character, both in content, both in patriotism. We must share our history and our values. We must teach history in school. We must honor Nigerians that are doing well, not Nigerians that are stealing. Though in our country today, it is those that are looting and stealing we are honoring. Like Peter Obi said, His Excellency, we are the teachers. We are the primary school teachers. That teacher who has been laboring all through year. The teacher that came first in Oxford, the Ogun State teacher. Such people should be given national honors. Not senators, not ministers, not governors. Governors and senators are not the way forward. Those who build Nigeria are those teachers in primary, in remote colleges, in remote primaries, schools like pay-setters. Look at what we've seen today. It has inspired confidence and hope for our tomorrow. So I'm excited, and Peter Obi succinctly nailed it when he said, if Nigeria must grow, we need to develop our school system and reward our teachers. I think I can't adumbrate more than the submission of pay-setters children about our country and the submission of all the eloquent professors and speakers that spoke.
So, sir, I know that here you do this. Can you speak to some of the achievements of some of your students? Some
yes.
are in the university, some
yes.
are graduated. Can you just...
What makes pay-setter thick and strong are the products and the representative of pay-setter all over the world. For example, when a pay-setter graduate is already in NASA, far away in America, he's doing very well. He was on CNN the other day. They asked him which or where did you finish from? His background. He said pay-setters here in Abuja. A Fulani young man. I can tell you, even in pay-setters, Fulani products are the ones doing very well. Nigerians are incredible. The talents of pay-setters, those that have graduated, those that have left schools, we have doctors, we have lawyers, we have engineers, we have those who are doing their professor. In 20-something years, I have produced professors now. I have produced master's degree or doctorate degree holder, masters of engineers, masters of law. So I'm a grandfather now doing well. You know, and today, our first girl, the daughter, her daughter, graduated in the kindergarten. So I'm a grand product of educational system in Nigeria. I'm glad for what my humble self and Kate and Abuja community, the teachers in pay-setters, our value parents in pay-setters, what we are doing. We're turning Nigeria around. Education is the key to turn Nigeria around. We will not stop until at least we leave Nigeria better than we met it. Nigeria will awesomely be better. We've seen the submission. The submission today for the class of 2023, leave Nigeria better than you meet it.
What number is this?
So,
what number is this?
This 24th. Thank you.
4 years.
Yes.
So can we digress a little and ask one more question? If you become the governor of Edo State, what will be your plight for education concerning Edo State?
God willing, when I'm governor next year, when I take over from Obaseki, I will revamp education strongly. I will be bringing 20-something years to governors. Nobody will do it better than me, because right from secondary school, right from primary school to the tertiary institution, will make education the industry of Edo people. Edo people will see what they've never seen before, because we embolden education, we make it, as a matter of fact, priority, and we make it compulsory. Every Edo child, no child in Edo State will be left behind when I'm governor. And we'll do good stuff. I can assure you, Edo is coming strong, and we are coming better.
Congratulations.
Thank you.